So we were out here digging some holes to put up a playground equipment, and we found 2 salamanders in the holes. And as you can see, this one is trying to get back to his original hole. Here's the other salamander that we found. And they're pretty active now.
I've been warming mine up in my hands, always trying to go into that spot there.
He's like, nope.
Gotta rest.
And here's his buddy. I wonder if they're going to go back to that same hole, because I'd be really impressed if they did. He's going somewhere. You think he's going to go back to the same hole he was in? Hang a right, buddy. Hang a right if you want to go in the same hole you were in earlier.
Nope.
Guess not.
But he is gonna go in that hole, I think. Stopping for a rest.
Hey, buddy. So as you can see, I don't know, how many inches would you say these are? It's like
7.
we could measure them exactly. We have measuring tapes out here. So we're guessing these are tiger salamanders. We're in southwest Minnesota here.
This dude is 6.5.
Yep, be about
This
right.
dude is 7.
Wow, good estimating. They're just so cool looking.
What happens if you put one on top of the other one?
He'll probably crawl away. Look at those guys. Do they blink? Yep, their eyeballs go straight into their head. So we were reading about them on the DNR website. Apparently they're pretty common here in Minnesota.
The poop paint stuck on his face.
Come back here.
Do they like being picked up by their tail?
Probably not. Poor guy. Where's he? Where are you going? Oh! Oh, he did something
He
exciting.
like flopped.
Oh, be nice to him.
We should do that again.
Whoa!
That's
wow,
really cool.
that's a lot of energy expended. Oh, is the other guy gonna get away into that hole?
Oh! I feel like that's a dangerous fall. Yeah, right. Let's see if the other guy knows how to flop.
No.
It's like a defense mechanism is all it is. So if something was trying to eat them.
Alright, welcome to the Flopathon 2018. Here are the contestants, Mr. 6.5 and 7.
First they just claw for a long time. And then,
Just keep walking!
that's pretty amazing.
Oh, okay. Congratulations. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, sure enough. Wow.
Whoa, poor guys.
That's so cool.
That's cool. That probably doesn't really bother them at all. It's just, that's there.
That is so amazing. They both have it built in. It's the, I want to get away from you because I think you're going to eat me flop. It's the closest thing to a defense mechanism that they have.
Crawl around my boot. Wow, what a cool animal.
It's so interesting how they have like a timer.
The flop timer?
Yeah.
I don't know why, they just seem so much more special than frogs and toads.
He's getting ready.
Oh, I should go and...
Here he goes. There he goes. He like builds up energy, and then all of a sudden,
Ah!
all of a sudden, he goes.
Oh, they are cool animals.
Oh, wait.
Good thing we found them in the holes, otherwise they would not have made it. They would have died.
Sorry, I might have exhausted you a little bit.
So, For some reason, amphibians like these holes. Over here in this hole, I think I counted 5 toads earlier. So if you look, we got one. One. Camera will focus on them. And 2. Toads are kind of weird. Like the texture of them seems kind of like they're full of foam. 3. Yeah. 4. And 5. 5 toads in that one hole. Now they're probably gonna just jump straight into another hole. This guy right here. Oh, yep. How about you? Where are you gonna go?
Whoa, they can swim pretty cool.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. That one jumped into that hole. Oh, that one jumped into that hole. Oh, this one's probably gonna jump into this hole. Nope, he kept going. Oh, here comes another contestant. What are you gonna do? He's on the edge. He's considering it. That big one, I think, jumped into the hole over there. They blend in really well. Oh, yeah, they just jump straight into the hole. How do these guys swim?
They actually, I think, feel refreshed after you let them go swimming.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. Alright, ready? Go. They are good swimmers, so they lay their eggs at the bottom of lakes on vegetation and stuff, apparently.
But can they fly?
Oh no.
Just kidding.
Look at that. He seems a little bit perturbed. I wouldn't blame him. So anyway, this is probably enough messing around with them. We're gonna let him go. But it's a good thing we got him out of those holes, because those holes are gonna get refilled with dirt. In case you're wondering what the holes are for, I'll show you. So we have some used playground equipment that we've been working on getting set up. It's really been quite a project. Where'd he go? I want to step on him. There he is. We'll keep him with us for a while longer. But yeah, here it is. So we have a total of 8 holes on this side and 6 holes on this side. And lots of swamp around in the area. So lots of amphibians to come and
Sabotage our holes.
attack. Yeah. There you go, buddy. So anyway, we're gonna probably let him go now. Or put him back in the holes, one of the two.
See what energy to do the flop.
Maybe.
Holding him loose so that maybe it'll work this time.
They're just so pretty.
Here he goes. It's so funny how they're like, I think if I just flop for a little while, he might fall down. Oh,
maybe it will think
he's getting ready.
that I will do that in its throat and it won't eat me.
They look like a very tasty snack for certain types of animals.
Like a bird. I think birds would like them. I don't know if cats would care for them very much. I'm sure we'll just be sitting here for...
Oh, here he goes. It's like the fastest movement a salamander has to do.
Oh! And we have a winner!
Let's see that guy
Mr.
started
6.5. That's right. Wow, he's got his head just underwater. They just hold their breath, I guess. Well, anyway, we're gonna probably release them into the wild and continue working on our large project. So, talk to you later.
You missed it.
Ah, bummer. Yeah, it's like a timer. Pretty amazing.